hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, I will also prepare some of the sessions related with my CMA journey, okay? A small part, so that you can also get some benefit, okay? Some mistake which I have did in my earlier CMA journey, so that you cannot repeat it, and what will be my strategy so that I can easily clear my CMA in the age of 22, so that you can also get benefit from these kind of sessions, okay? Apart from this, you can also suggest me on which topic you want video from my side, okay? So I will prepare as you suggested by you, okay? So now we are starting today's sessions. So guys, in this particular session I will try to disclose the from where I have taken my classes, okay? And which subject I did self study, and all in this video I will suggest the my suggestions after each and every stage, okay? But my purpose for this video is that you will get benefit, okay? You will get knowledge which kind of subject we can do easily self study, okay? My intention is not to promote or demote any classes from anywhere, okay? So which is truth I am telling you, okay? You can also ask any question if you have, okay? So now we are starting. So guys, in CMA foundation I have taken my CMA foundation classes from nearby my area, okay? Currently I am living in Faridabad, so I have taken my CMA foundation classes from nearby my area, okay? Where in our batch we have around 100 candidate, out of which 85 is from CA fraternity, 3 from CS, and 12 remaining 12 from, you can say that, our CMA fraternity, okay? So the course content is everything is totally based on CA, okay? So I'm accepting that the 70% or 75% course curriculum is syllabus, so we completed the same easily. But what will be the remaining 30% which is different from CA? So yes, we face the problem, but easily I have cleared my CMA foundation with good marks in first attempt, okay? So now what will be my suggestion for CMA foundation student? So guys, it is my humble request, if you are taking classes, if you are doing you can say that self study, now in these days self study for CMA foundation is yes also possible. Lot of material is also available on videos I have also prepared, yes, how we can easily get from YouTube 100% course curriculum, okay? So if you are doing self study, so I can that those videos, YouTube videos and study material and past year paper is more than enough to clear CMA foundation with good marks with self study, hoping that you are getting my point. But if you want to take class, so it is my humble request to each and every CMA foundation student to take separate classes, the coaching where they provide separate classes for CMA foundation, okay? I am not saying here that if the teacher is providing for CA, CS and CMA, you should not go with the, yes, you need to go, but you have to ask that these will provide 100% course for CMA also, okay? So hoping that you are getting my point. So now after completing my CMA foundations, I have researched more on those topics related with from my seniors. So they suggested that for CMA inter and final you need to go you can say that Lakshmi Nagar, okay? So Lakshmi Nagar is, you can say that, the hub for providing CMA, CS, CS coaching, okay? So in CMA Foundation Group 1, I have taken my classes from Lakshmi Nagar. The institute name is Bright Vision Academy, okay? So I have taken my all 4 classes from Bright Vision Academy, okay? So my strategy and my principle is, which is different from you and the candidate to candidate, but my principle and my strategy to take all classes under one roof. Maybe yes, I am accepting that some student will argue with me that this will be not a good strategy, you have to take separate classes, the best classes, which is not possible in one roof. But as you know that I believe on my principle, I followed my strategy. Every student should or need to follow his or her strategy. Yes, he can easily clear CA, CS or CMA exams, okay? So group 1 I have taken the classes from Bright Vision Academy, okay? Okay, so yes, I have cleared my CMA CMA inter group 1B also. And what will be my suggestion after for group 1? So if you are taking group 1 classes, so I can say that if you are facing financial problem, so yes, with self study CMA inter group 1 group 2 is easily cleared, you can clear, okay? But if you are not facing financial problem, or you are not doing articleship or training, so I can suggest that you need to take classes, okay? If you want take classes, one class from that place, one class from another place, you can say that the best class you are purchasing or buying, okay? So yes, you can do that, but my principle is not that, okay? You have to spend too much time on traveling. One class from that place, one class from, you can say, Patel Nagar, you can say that one class from Lakshmi Nagar, one class from ITO. So this will be you have to pay the traveling time, okay? So hoping that you are getting my point. Now come to the CMA group 2. So I have taken once again I have taken the classes from Bright you can say that Lakshmi Nagar, but now this time the academy will be Prinka Saxena, okay? And earlier I want to share my teacher name for group 1, okay? So group 1 in paper number 5 Intikab Ahmed sir, and paper number 6 law Raghav Goyal sir, and paper number 7 direct taxation Mitika ma'am, and You can, paper number 8 costing, which is Imran Ansari sir. So now come to the group 2. Okay, I have taken the classes from Priyanka Saxena classes, which is located in Lakshmi Nagar. Okay, so in paper number you can say that ki OMSM Satyam sir, and paper number 10 paper number 10 Raghav, paper number 10 we have a Rajiv Bhargav sir, and paper number 11 Priyanka ma'am, and paper number 12 we have a Iqtidar Malik. Okay, so hoping that you are getting my point. So once again I have taken the classes from one roof. Okay, this is my principle and this is my strategy, so that I can easily clear my CMA exams. Okay, but you have to prepare or maintain your own strategy. Okay, I'm accepting that if you have a sufficient time, you can take one class from that place, one class from that place, please. But it is my humble request, please save the traveling time as much as possible from your side. Hoping that now hoping that you will get the CMA Inter. Okay, so once again I say that if you are taking classes from anywhere, but please ensure that they are providing 100% course curriculum for CMA fraternity, irrespective of whether they are also providing the classes for CA student. For CA student, do not worry about that. But if they are providing for CMA, so 100% course curriculum is related with the CMA. Okay, so CMA. Suppose ethics is not available in any other course, but also they are not providing the ethics. This is the problem for you. Okay, so please ensure before buying any classes. Now come to the CMA final. So now guys, as you know that we are in CMA final and we have to I want to go both group. Okay, and this time as you know that if you are going for the both group, you have to do articleship. Now it is 15 months, but earlier in my time it is 6 months. So I have selected in BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, which is located in Noida sector 142. Okay, so I did articleship 7 months from BHEL. Okay, so I have decided that in CMA final I am going with the self study for all subject. Okay, but during CMA but during my articleship, as you know that in PSUs, most of the PSUs provided weekend off, means Saturday Sunday off. So I have a time. So in during my articleship, some of my friends are taking the classes of SFM and CFR from in Saturday Sunday. They are also getting the Saturday and Sunday off. Okay, so yes, I also follow the same strategy. I follow whatever my friends are doing. So this is not good, but yes, I have taken the SFM and CFR, and the remaining 6 subject I did my by self study. Okay, you can also do the same. The remaining 2 subject SFM and CFR I can also easily manage. Okay, so yes, you can say that mostly final I did by self study, and yes, I have cleared my CMA final. Okay, so hoping that yes, I'm yes, this is my message to all CMA student. With self study you can easily clear your foundation, inter and final. If those students are facing the financial problem, my suggestion to every CMA student, if you are facing financial problem, do not trouble to your parents. Okay, easily foundation, inter, final can be self study clear with be self study. So hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, so yes, CMA final I have also cleared my CMA final. I have taken 2 classes, one for you can say that SFM and CFR. Okay, so now what will be my suggestions? Okay, to all CMA final students who are taking the classes or doing self study. So guys, as you know that if you are doing articleship or you want to take classes, so I can suggest that during your articleship you can manage your classes. Okay, then after that, whenever your articleship complete, you're also simultaneously complete, then you have to focus with practice more and more, and easily you can clear your CMA final. Okay, and it is my humble request to every CMA student in final, please at least 15 months you need to go under articleship and learn as much as possible. Okay, learn as much as possible. CMA firm is best as per my opinion in comparison to other option available, like you are saying that PSU, private organization, CA firm, but CMA firm I will always prefer. Okay, so I did my 2 classes, SFM and CFR, from Priyanka Saxena classes. The teacher name is Abhishek Kaushik. Okay, he teach it very well. Okay, so I managed to score good marks in SFM and CFR also. So hoping that from this video you will get, apart from this I will also come up in the future with you can say that related to my articleship experiences, my corporate world experiences, and you guys can also suggest me on which topic I need to prepare video. So hoping that you getting my point. I'm concluding the video. Yes guys, self study you can easily manage your CMA, foundation, inter or final. But if you are facing problem in any subject, I can say that immediately take the classes. Okay, And for the purpose of my this video is not to promote anyone. I said in earlier before starting my video, so please understand, I want to share my journey so that you can also get the benefit from this, hoping that you are getting my point. So yes, I'm concluding or ending this video. Yes guys, CMA foundation interfinal is yes possible with self study, okay, but my humble request, please undergo articleship, which is important in campus placement, okay. This is the must criteria if you want to get select or placed in campus placement, okay. So for today, that's all about in this video. I will also come up with the my experience related with articleship with the corporate world and currently where I'm working, okay. So that's all about in this video. So we will meet in a next session. Bye guys.